everyone, welcome to our channel. Here is another exciting video for you all. Today in this video we are going to learn about off-page optimization. So without any further ado, let's get started. So in this session we are going to cover these topics. The first one is introduction to SEO. Then we have the categories of SEO that are on-page and off-page SEO. The third one is the importance of off-page SEO, and the last and most important, some great off-page techniques that might help to rank a website on SERP. Getting started with a brief introduction to SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It provides techniques to optimize the website so that it can rank well on the SERPs. SERP stands for Search Engine Result Pages. Also, SEO is the practice of increasing the quality and quantity of traffic that might come to your website through several search engine practices like organic traffic, referral, or directly. Higher your pages rank in several search platforms like Google, Yahoo, Bing, etc., higher are the chances to get more traffic on your site. Now moving on to the categories of SEO. There are two categories of SEO, on-page SEO and off-page SEO. So, let's know about on-page SEO. It is the practice of optimizing individual web pages to rank higher and earn more relevant traffic in search engines. On-page SEO leads to higher search rankings, increased traffic to your sites, and more conversions. The result of on-page SEO take time, but once your on-page SEO strategy gets off the ground, it can give some good online ranking for your website. Talking about off-page SEO, it refers to all activities you perform away from your website, which means that in on-page SEO, we perform all the activities on our page. Still, in off-page SEO, we perform all the activities outside our page to increase or raise a page's ranking with SERP. We can perform several techniques in off-page SEO, which will be discussed in the next slide. These techniques happen outside of our site, and this will involve attracting links from other good websites, shares on social media platforms, etc. So, if we write good and engaging content, there are more chances to get good quality of do-follow links from other sites. The practice that we follow in off-page SEO is guest posting, and it might help us more quality to do-follow links for our websites. So, here's the list of off-page SEO techniques that we should follow to rank higher on SERPs. The first one is creating shareable content. Then we have influencer outreach, guest author, social media engagement, forum submission, and lastly the directory submission. By following these techniques, we can get a higher ranking for our website. There are other different types of links in off-page: natural links, built links, and created links. So natural links are the type of link that come to your site naturally. You don't have to put effort or make strategies to earn such links. Taking an example of a blogger who wrote a blog about technologies has mentioned your website link in his blog. If you are writing good and quality content, then people will search your content, which will naturally drive traffic to your website. Secondly, we have built links. These links are generated through outreach. You have to earn such links by reaching out to webmasters, publishers, or journalists by promoting the content with an ad campaign. Built link come under guest posting. We perform guest posting for the guest blogger that they can add our links to their post or website. By this process, we can build more links. The last one is the created links. These links are generated for your website from self-submission or directories, forums, or press releases. These links are basically created by the activities like microblogging that helps to create links to our website. Moving on to our first technique, creating shareable content. Shareable content means something that is suitable and likely to be posting or reposting on a social media or application. creating meaningful and relevant content that can be shared in smart to generate natural links to your website. So, keep researching and updating your content. The second technique, influencer outreach. If you think your content is valuable and it's worth sharing, don't hesitate to reach out to influencers in your industry. If they like your content, you will get good do follow links from them, which might help us. The third one is the guest posting. It simply means writing and publishing an article or someone else's website or blog. If he or she likes your article or blog, then there are chances that you might be getting good quality do follow links. For this, you simply need to reach and pitch the guest bloggers and tell them about the services or specialty you have. Then we have social media management. It is an important off-page technique that allows you to make your website or business popular by interacting with people on multiple social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. It will help you get more outreach for your website. Next, we have social bookmarking submissions. Social bookmarking makes it easier to expand brand reach to earn backlinks through other relevant content. These sites offer you a platform to promote your website. You can upload your web page or blog on these sites with a link to your site. Thus, you can gain high traffic to your site. Forum submission. A forum is an online site through which people share their articles, blogs, or links in order to promote their website. You can participate in forums that basically relate to your website and businesses and try to make connections with these communities. It allows you to reply to threads, answer people's questions, and give suggestions. At last, we have directory submissions. Directory submissions is defined as the practice of submitting your website URL and its detail on the web in a directory under a particular category. You should have to determine all the services which you are providing. It allows you to submit your pages in directories to build backlinks. You must choose a directory submission site with high DA and PA, and its spam score should be less than 5%. There are several question-answer platforms like Quora where you can answer questions related to your specialization, by which we can acquire good traffic on our website. Image and video submission. It also comes under the off-page activities. You can submit images, infographics, or videos related to your blogs or topics. You can use client testimonials of your company or customer reviews to drive more traffic to your website. Infographic submission. It will also help you to get more traffic to your website. You can create infographics from the blogs and then post them on several infographic submission sites. Web 2.0 submission. It allows you to create subdomains in a high domain authority website. While doing Web 2.0, you can also submit the URL to get backlinks. That's all for now. Thank you for your valuable time. If you like this video, hit like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to know about website SEO and on-page optimization, you can watch our video. The link is in the description below.